This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at the out-the-box setup and initialization of the XE-A207 register. So in this video, obviously I've got the machine ready to be plugged in. I've taken out the packaging. I'll be following the Quickstart guide, so there's an initialization section, and I'll basically talk you through step by step each of those procedures. The only other thing you'll need is a couple of AA batteries, which aren't supplied with the machine as standard, and you'll also need a thermal 58mm paper till roll. Okay, so the first thing to do is to plug the machine in at the mains. And you'll get an option to come up to select language. So obviously in the UK we'll press button 1 and get English, and then the machine will perform the master reset, which is the initialization. So this has got all the basic default settings on, and then it will ask for a series of basic programmings. So the first thing to do is to put in the date and time. The date needs to be typed in a 6-digit format. So for the 10th of October 2019, you would simply type in 10 for the day, 10 for the month, and 19 for the year. You then got an arrow down button here. You can tab down to enter the time. So 14:48 in the afternoon. And then when you've entered, you've got a button here, TLNS, which is like a enter button on a computer. The next thing you'll be prompted to enter is the tax rate. You don't have to enter tax rates. You don't have to have tax on your machine. It kind of depends how your business is set up. But for these demo videos and tutorials I'll be doing, I'm going to have a couple of different tax rates on there. So I'm going to program tax rate 1 at 20%. And tax rate 2 at 5%. Now the way the tax works on a cash register is you set the tax rates up here, and these rates will be inclusive of VAT. So if you sell something for £1, that the pound will include the VAT. If you have a different setup, you'll need to check out our other tax programming videos and do that separately. If you don't know what tax rates to program, you can skip this and also program the tax rates later by watching our other videos. For now, I'm going to pop in 20% for tax 1 and 5% for tax 2. In our other videos, we'll then show you how to assign these tax rates to the different products and departments. You then got the option to put in passcodes. So the big breakthrough that Sharp made with the 207 was that it no longer has a key lock. So the previous model, the 203, would have had a key lock. So the manager would have had a key which would turn to all the positions, and the staff or cashiers might only have a operator key which would allow them to do sales but not refunds or programming or reporting. So in lieu of the key, there's now a passcode, so you can enter a 4-digit code. So only the manager or anyone who knows the code can enter those modes. For now, I'm just going to leave these blank, but it's straightforward. If you wanted to type in a code, you could just type in a 4-digit code now. There's also, you can do this at a later date, and I'll have a video showing you how to do that as well. Next thing you're prompted to enter is the receipt logo. I'm not going to go into that now, but this is obviously basically what appears on the till receipt. I've got another video showing you how to do that. You don't have to do this now, but if you want to, it's fairly straightforward. You just type in what you want to appear on the receipt header. When you've done that, you press TLNS, and then that is the machine initialized. So the machine's now ready to go. Next thing you need to do is load the memory protection batteries. So they go here, lift off the printer cover, and then the battery compartment lid, pop in a couple of AA batteries. They don't power the machine, they simply act as a memory backup, so they'll save any programming data and any sales data. While you've got the printer cover off, you can also load the till roll. So it's thermal paper till roll, 58mm is the official size. You lift up the platen arm and then drop the paper in simply like this. So the thermal shiny side is facing down. Pull a bit up, close the platen arm over, feed the paper through the receipt slot. Now there's no journal spool on the 207, so you can only have the till in receipt mode, but you don't have to have the receipt switched on. So if you want the receipt switched off, there'll be another video showing you how to stop the receipt printing with every transaction. But that's the initialization of the machine done. You can now either start programming on the machine, and in which case there'll be videos appearing on screen now showing you how to do the basic programmings. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel, which I recommend because we're always adding new videos. You can also visit sharphelp.co.uk for more information on the 207 and other Sharp cash registers. Thanks for watching.